The Philippines is among the riskiest countries to be in during the coronavirus pandemic, according to data analysts by consortium Deep Knowledge Group, and shows the Philippines ranked 20th lowest in the list of safest countries in the Asia Pacific to be in during this pandemic. We'll go to the bottom to tell you how they actually came to work out these levels of safety or not safe countries. It says that for risk factors, framework countries were benchmarked according to their levels of risk, according to a variety of medical and non-medical factors, including risk of infection, hospitalization, death and lasting health conditions, as well as the country's risk of negative economic quality of life and geopolitical issues resulting from the pandemic. The framework features 24 parameters grouped into these 4 categories: infection spread risk, government management, healthcare efficiency, and regional specific risks. So to the report that's just come out that we mentioned. So first one is the risk ranking for the 20 countries. So the least safe countries in the world, with Italy at number 1, USA at number 2, UK number 3, then Spain, France, Sweden, Iran, Ecuador, and the Philippines there coming in at 9th. Now this may surprise or shock some people, but I guess with the lack of testing that's going on in the Philippines, it's really hard to gauge what's going on. And when they consider all those other factors I just mentioned, you can probably see why they're in the top 10 of the riskiest countries to be in at the moment during the COVID-19 pandemic. And then we go down to the Asia Pacific region safest countries rankings that they've come up with. They've got South Korea as number 1, Australia number 2, China number 3, New Zealand number 4, Taiwan number 5. And down at number 20 over here, they've got the Philippines as the 20th safest country to be in the Asia Pacific region. So Philippines not faring overly well in those studies. Then the top 40 safest countries worldwide, according to this study, has Israel at number 1, Germany number 2, South Korea number 3, Australia number 4, and China number 5, and so on. I can say I live in Australia, and I think we're doing pretty well here at this stage. We've only got about 6,500 people tested positive for coronavirus at this stage, and unfortunately we've had about 63 deaths from that. But that's really remarkable compared to most other countries around the world. So where I live in a regional centre, which is what Filipinos might refer to like a province area, and I don't feel at all in danger. And really, whilst we're keeping our social distancing and we're doing our self-isolation, we can still go out for walks and we still can go to the shops, etc. when we need food. But I really do see that Australia will turn this around very quickly. But with the Philippines, I'm not sure really that yet it's actually hit its peak, or I think there's still a fair way to go. The thing in the favour of the Philippines, from what I believe I've heard, is that it could be that the very hot weather in their summertime coming into that now could actually kill the virus off a lot quicker than it would, say, in countries where it's colder. So let's hope that's the case for the Philippines. But really, everyone needs to be doing the right thing in order to get rid of this virus in the Philippines as quick as possible, so everyone can go back to earning their income again, having their jobs, and we can get back to living a life again that we once knew, hopefully. Now, what is most concerning to me is the comments made here by Deep Knowledge Group founder Dmitri Kaminski. He said in a Nikkei Asian Review report that Bangladesh, Indonesia and Philippines, being at the bottom of the Asia Pacific list, are likely to face quite negative dynamics in coming weeks. He also lamented in the article about the inefficiency of the government management, particularly in the Philippines. Let's hope that Dmitri Kaminski's predictions here don't come to be true. So guys, let me know in the comments if you think this is a surprise to you that the Philippines has come in as the 9th most riskiest country to be in during the COVID-19 crisis. So pop your comments below, let us know what you think. Be respectful, of course, and we can have a decent discussion about this. Also, let me know in the comments if it's changed your opinion on the Philippines going forward into the future. Will you still be going back to the Philippines? And if so, when is your plan to go to the Philippines next? And maybe what parts of the Philippines are you intending on visiting? So we'll wrap it up there, guys. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a big like and share the video to others that may be interested. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and press the bell notification to get all future videos. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate your support. Take care, and bye for now.